This exercise is called making mistakes.
So we're going to all start in the middle of the room, and I'm going to ask a question. And if you think the correct answer, I will say you go there, and if you think the correct answer is this, you go there, yeah, or there. No? So I'll indicate a place in the room where to go if you think that is the correct answer. Yeah? So what is the special about this quiz? Is that when I will say, okay, for example, you are correct and you are mistaken, the ones who are mistaken, they have to celebrate. I mistake, so what? I mistake, so what? Okay? And the ones who are winning, instead of having their ego big because they win, they're like, oh, I'm happy for you, your mistake, congratulations, you're learning. Okay?
You have to make sure that the participants are actively celebrating, like this.
Okay? So the correct answer is potatoes. I mistake, so what? I mistake, so what? I mistake.
This exercise builds self-confidence and group support and encourages positive attitudes towards errors.